Want to style your contact forms without writing a single line of CSS? In this video, we are diving into the external forms styler block from Blocks, perfect for customizing every part of your form. Whether you are using Contact Form 7, Everest form, Gravity form, Ninja form, or WPForms, I'll guide you through customizing each forms. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the external form styler block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for external form styler. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of external form styler block from Blocks. From the Form tab, we have to select the form type. Under the Form type drop-down, you will find these 5 options. You can style Contact Form 7, Everest form, Gravity form, Ninja form, or WP form. We'll see each form one by one. Let's select the Contact Form 7 first. To style the Contact Form 7, you need to have the Contact Form 7 plugin installed and you need to have at least one form created. Then from the Select Form drop-down, you have to select the form. From Alignment, you can align the form. From here, you can select the outer section styling. You can set it to default or you can use custom class. That will actually remove the outer section styling. Let's keep it to default now. Then in the Style tab, you'll find all the styling options required to customize the Contact Form 7. From the Label field, you can adjust the label style. You can adjust the label typography. You can even use global typography. You can adjust the label color for normal and hover states. Then from the Input field tab, you can style the input fields. You can adjust the typography, placeholder text color, padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and focus state. Then from the Text area field tab, you can style the text area. You can adjust the typography, placeholder color, padding, margin. You can again adjust the text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the checkbox radio field, you can style the checkbox and radio fields of the form. From the checkbox tab, you can adjust the typography of checkbox. You can adjust the checked color, unchecked color, checked BG color. You can adjust the border radius. Then from the radio button tab, you can do the same. You can adjust typography, checked color, unchecked BG, checked BG color, border radius. Then from the file or upload field tab, you can adjust the file upload field style. You can adjust the typography. You can set a minimum height. You can adjust alignment. By enabling the style toggle, you can style the file upload field. You can adjust the text color, icon color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the outer field tab, you can style the outer section. You can adjust padding. You can adjust the margin. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the Submit or Send button tab, you can style the submit button. You can set a minimum width. You can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the Response Message tab, you can style the response messages that we'll get after submitting the form. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust padding, margin. Then from the Success tab, you can adjust the text color for the success message. You can adjust background, border radius. From the Validation tab, you can adjust the validation error, text color, background, border radius. Then from the Extra Options tab, you can set a minimum width for the form. You can change the required message text color. You can adjust the required text background color. Now let's see the Everest form. For this again, you need to install the Everest form and you need to have at least one form created. From the Select Form, you have to select the form. Then from the Alignment, you can align the form. In the Style tab, you will find all the styling related to the Everest form. On the Label field, you can adjust the label style, you can adjust the label typography, can adjust the label color, description color, required symbol color for normal and hover states. Then from the input field tab, you can adjust the input field style. You can adjust the typography, placeholder color, padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. You can adjust the text area style. You can adjust the text area typography, placeholder color, padding, margin, text color, border, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the checkbox radio field, from the checkbox tab, you can style the checkboxes. Then from the radio button tab, you can style the radio buttons. You'll find similar styling option that we saw in the contact form 7. Then from the file upload field tab, you can adjust the file upload field style and adjust the typography. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the outer field tab, you can style the outer field. You can adjust padding, margin, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the submit or send button, you can style the submit button. You can set a minimum width. You can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the form container tab, you can style the container of this form. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust the border. You can adjust the background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then again from the response message, you can style the messages you get after submitting the form. You can adjust the success and validation message separately. Then from the extra option tab, again you can set maximum width for the form. You can style the required text color, background color. Now let's see the gravity form. You need to install the gravity form and create at least one form. Once gravity form is selected, you have to select your form. By enabling the title toggle, you can show the title of the form. Then from the alignment, you can align the form. In the style tab, you will find all the styling related to the gravity form. On the label field, you can adjust the style of the form labels. Adjust the label typography, sub-label typography. You can adjust the label color, sub-label color, max character color, description color, required symbol color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the progress bar text size. You can adjust the progress bar text color. You can adjust the progress bar border size. You can adjust the progress bar border color. You can adjust the price color, constant color. Then from the input field, you can adjust the input style. Form input style, you can adjust typography, placeholder text color, you can adjust padding, margin, text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. From the text area field, you can style the text area. You can adjust typography, placeholder color, padding, margin, text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the select field tab, you can style the select drop down. By enabling the height auto, you can set the height to auto. You can adjust padding. Then from the checkbox radio field, you can style the checkboxes and radio fields of the gravity form. You can do them separately for checkbox and radio buttons. For checkbox, you can adjust the typography. You can adjust the icon size, text color, checked unchecked color, checked unchecked BG color, border radius. For radio button, again you will find same options. Then from the file upload field, you can adjust the file upload field style. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius for normal and hover states. If you have multiple file upload fields, you can enable this multiple file upload style. You can again style the other file upload field. Then from the outer field tab, you can adjust the outer container style. You can adjust padding, margin. You can set background, border radius for normal and hover states. Then from the submit send button tab, you can adjust the submit button style. You can set maximum width. You can set the alignment. You can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can set text color, background. You can change the next button text color, background. You can adjust the previous button text color, background. You can adjust border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. From the form container tab, you can adjust the form container style. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the response message tab, you can style the response messages of the form. You can adjust the form width. You can style the required text color, background color. You can adjust the margin. Now let's see the Ninja form. Again, for this Ninja form, you have to install the Ninja form plugin, and you need to create at least one form. The Ninja form will not show in the back end, so you have to check the styling by going on the front end. You have to select the form from the select form drop down. Then you can adjust the alignment. In the style tab, from the label field, you can adjust the form labels style. You can adjust the label typography. You can adjust label color, description color, required symbol color, normal and overstates. From form heading tab, you can adjust the form heading style. You can adjust the typography, color. Then field hint tab, you can style the field hints. You can adjust the icon color, description color. Then from the input field tab, you can adjust the form input field style. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust placeholder text color. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the text area field, you can style that text area of the form. You can adjust the typography, placeholder color, padding, margin. You can adjust the text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the checkbox radio field, you can style the checkbox and radio fields of the form. From the checkbox tab, you can adjust the checkbox typography, icon size, text color, check uncheck icon color, check uncheck background color, border radius. Then from the radio button, you can adjust the radio button typography. Again, you can adjust the checked color, unchecked and checked background color, border radius. Then from the file upload tab, you can adjust the file upload field. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust text color, background, border radius for normal and overstates. Then from the outer field tab, you can style the outer container. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. Then from the submit send button, you can style the submit button. You can set a maximum width. You can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. Then from the form container, again, you can style the container of the form. You can adjust padding, margin, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. From the response message tab, you can style the response messages of the form. You'll find same options. Then, and from the extra options tab, again, you can adjust the form width. You can adjust padding. You can adjust required text color, required background color, required border color. Let's see the WP form. For this as well, we have to install the WP form plugin, and you have to create at least one form. From the select form drop down, you have to select the form. You can align the form. Then from the style tab, you can style the form. From the label field, you can style the form labels. You can adjust label typography, sub-label typography. You can adjust label color, sub-label color, required symbol color for normal and overstates. From the description tab, you can style the form descriptions. You can adjust the typography, padding, margin, color, background color, border radius. From input field tab, you can style the input fields. You can adjust typography, placeholder text color. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and focus states. Then from the text area field, you can style the text area. You can adjust typography, placeholder color, padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and focus state. From the checkbox radio field, you can style the checkbox and radio fields. In the checkbox, you can adjust typography, icon size, text color, checked unchecked icon color, checked unchecked BG color, border radius. If you have selected image as your checkbox, you can enable the image choice style. From here, you can adjust the style of that as well. Then from the radio button, you'll find similar option: typography, checked color, unchecked BG color, checked BG color, border radius. Again, you will find the image choice style if you have used image as your radio button. Then from the file upload field, you can style the file upload field. You can adjust typography. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. From the outer field tab, you can adjust outer section of the fields. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. Then from the submit send button, you can style the submit button. You can set maximum width, typography, padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and overstates. From the form container, you can style the container of the form. You can adjust padding, margin. You can adjust background, border border radius, box shadow for normal and overstays. Then again from the response message tab, you can adjust the style of the response messages. From the extra options tab, again you can adjust the form width, you can adjust the required text color, required bg color. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the external form styler block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.